Before you get caught up in the latest TikTok health craze, watch this. I'm breaking down why some of these viral trends are actually bad for your health. You won't believe what's making the rounds. Don't miss this. As a dietitian, I can't help but cringe and sometimes even want to shout at some of these viral health trends. Today, I'm diving into why these TikTok sensations are not miracle solutions and might just be terrible for your health. Whether they were sent to me or I stumbled upon them in my feed or they were totally new discoveries, there's one trend I couldn't believe was actually real. Now, before we dive in, here's a quick disclaimer. None of the content in these TikTok videos is backed by science or vetted by health professionals. Always consult with your doctor or trusted health expert before jumping on any new trend. And trust me, these are the trends you want to avoid.
It is day 2 of the Rice-Zempic challenge.
Oh boy.
If you don't know what that is, it's when you drink a cup of rice water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach.
She puts self-care in the corner.
2 pounds per day or 2.5 pounds per day. Yesterday was day 1. I was 138.2 pounds, I believe. So let's go ahead and I will weigh myself again before I go ahead and drink the next glass of rice water. Okay, so now it says 137.6 today, so it actually did work. I think I lost a little bit of weight. I think it's like half a pound. So I lost 0.6 pounds. That's pretty good.
First of all, the self-care in the corner just made me sad. Now here's the scoop. Some TikTokers are raving about this drink that they say helps curb their hunger, reduces cravings for sweets, and also makes them go to the bathroom even more. So what's in this concoction? It's a mix of half a cup of unwashed rice, a cup of warm or hot water, and then the juice from half of a lime. Let it sit and then strain out the rice and drink the starchy water that's left behind. And they claim this can help them lose weight, and in this particular video, she said up to 2 pounds a day. But girlfriend, that's literally water weight. So rice has a special kind of starch called resistant starch in it that our stomachs can't fully digest. And this starch might help you feel a little fuller a little bit longer, but there's only a minimal amount in this starchy rice water, and there is no proof that drinking this rice water works anything like Ozempic or Wegovy or any of the other weight loss medicines. Those work by mimicking a natural hormone in our gut to help reduce hunger, help you eat less, and feel fuller longer. And then let's also not forget that rice can have arsenic on it, but by rinsing it, you cut down on that arsenic. So in this case, we're not rinsing the rice, and we want to be mindful of the arsenic. So why do people lose weight by drinking this? Well, it's super low in calories. So if you swap out your breakfast for this drink, you're going to shed some pounds because you are cutting calories out. But as soon as you go back to eating regular food, that weight will likely come back. In the short term, this starchy rice water might fill you up, but it doesn't replace a balanced breakfast with real nourishing food.
If you want to stop me, you're gonna have to
So I can continue to shine. Terrible. Okay. Dry scooping. Just why? Well, clearly that person is a big fan of dry scooping, but this one blows my mind. You can literally choke. And for what? So dry scooping is filling up a scoop of pre-workout powder and literally dumping it in your mouth, and then chasing it with a swig of water so that you don't choke. Why do this? It just looks totally unappetizing. Now, pre-workout powders are generally packed with caffeine, some other stimulants sometimes, and a mix of vitamins and minerals. And the idea is to charge you up for your workout. So this one is alarming because it can cause some serious health issues. For one, you can literally choke on the dry powder. What a way to start your morning. And it also heightens your risk for a caffeine overdose, which can lead to other problems like vomiting, GI upset, and heart palpitations. That rush of caffeine can be equivalent to 3 or more cups of coffee literally flooded into your system. Please just do not do this one. In fact, there was an influencer who put a video up warning people to not do this one because it caused her to have a heart attack.
Alkaline water has a higher pH level than ordinary water, which
Sure.
contributes to reducing the level of acidity in the body. Normal drinking water has a neutral pH of 7 and
Sure.
alkaline water has a pH of 8 or 9. Alkaline water effectively neutralizes the acid in the body. In this way, it increases our energy level and removes the feeling of fatigue. It hydrates more and it's recommended after training. Alkaline water contains antioxidants for dehydration
minimal
and
antioxidants.
filtering of free radicals in the body, which slows down the aging process and keeps cells healthy. Recipe is in the
Yikes.
description of this video.
If you want to have some lemon in your water, then just go for it. But don't make it out like it's going to neutralize free radicals by putting a couple lemons in your water. What is the obsession with alkaline water and alkaline foods lately? There's so much wrong in these videos. Like, alkaline water effectively neutralizes the acid in the body. Nope. Once this alkaline water hits your stomach acid will neutralize it. What you're actually changing is the pH of your pee. Unless you have underlying health issues, your body will balance its pH all on its own. And let's not forget the body has its own sophisticated system for regulating pH levels. Your kidneys and lungs work tirelessly to maintain a balanced environment regardless of what you consume. The idea that you can drastically alter your body's pH through diet or a special water is not just misleading, it's scientifically flawed. In short, chasing after alkaline water and foods as a means to improve health is more about marketing than actual benefit. Instead, focus on having a balanced diet and staying hydrated. It is far more effective.
Alexa.
It's burning. That should tell you something. Disgusting. It's burning. It's painful. Yeah, don't do it. Oh, girl. So garlic is amazing for your health, but sticking it up your nose, not so much. This kooky trend can have several health consequences, just like that girl just said. Let's see. Burning, painful. I mean, the most obvious is that the garlic clove gets stuck in your nose, and then you're headed to the ER with quite the embarrassing story to tell. And garlic contains some oils that can irritate some people's skin, especially the sensitive skin around our nose, just like our poor TikToker. Try other remedies for the common cold and a runny nose, like good old comforting chicken noodle soup or probiotic foods like Greek yogurt, which can help to boost your immune system instead.
I cannot believe I've been drinking anything but this. My favorite part about this whole entire drink is the fact that it contains B vitamin
actually
biotin.
healthy.
Like, I've never seen that before. Not to mention, it's literally so refreshing.
Do you know what
It's better than
biotin
any
is
energy drink.
or what B vitamins are for? This one really grinds my gears. Targeting teens and preteens with energy drinks, so frustrating and just wrong. Honestly, I had never heard of Gorgie. Is that even how you say it? Until now, but they tout that their drink has 0 grams of sugar, B vitamins, just 5 calories, and a slew of other BS. So I popped over to their website to get the full nutritional breakdown. And their homepage was just frankly disturbing. Their drinks are sweetened with some heavily processed stevia, and then some random B vitamins are added in, mostly for marketing, I'm assuming. Their drinks have 150 milligrams of caffeine, and marketed towards teens, here's the big problem. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends limiting children and adolescents to 100 milligrams of caffeine per day. So one of their drinks is already 50 milligrams over that recommendation. And when an energy drink tries to claim itself as healthy, it just doesn't make sense. Get your vitamins from food. You can get biotin from beans, legumes, nuts, and seeds, sweet potatoes. B6 is in chickpeas, and dark greens. B12 in salmon and fortified nutritional yeast. And when an energy drink tries to claim itself as healthy, that's just a major red flag. While TikTok trends can be entertaining for sure, remember that only a tiny fraction of them are actually based on solid science. Just 2% to be exact. And yet 60% of millennials and Gen Zers say that they follow nutrition trends on TikTok. If a trend sounds too good to be true, then it probably is. Always do your research and consult professionals before diving into any new trends. And if you have nutrition questions, drop them to me in the comments. I'm here to help sift the crazy from the credible and help you better your health through good, nourishing foods. Well, that was kind of crazy. Some of these truly shocked me. Have you come across any of these trends, or have you tried any of these trends? I would love to hear your stories down in the comments. Or is there a trend you've seen that I didn't hit in today's video? Let me know. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this TikTok health trends review, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, eat well, be well, thrive.